bag bust. You know why? When you see us here, it's all about fun and games. When you see me, this is spelling bee time. Hey everybody, welcome back to Stuff from the CUFFS. It's your boy B Sizzle.
And it's your girl, beautiful B. Can you see me? Yay!
Representing for the St. Jago Ravensworth, Monk Street, big up on yourself.
And of course, representing for Glenmuir High, Color Red.
So,
Brian is so excited about this, by the way. He's been wanting to do this challenge because he is a spelling bee man. And so, yes, as I just said, yes, we're going to do the spelling bee challenge. And let me just say that I already think Brian is the winner because he is naturally a better speller. But I'm going to do my best. I'm going to do my best. And you see, I got into character. I kind of, going back to the young days.
I just naturally look young, so
well,
I don't need to do nothing.
Whatever.
Actually, I feel I try to look old. So yes, guys. Representing Gem Glow's Kindergarten in Spanish Town, representing St. Catherine Prep in Spanish Town. Of course, I went to spelling bees 3 times just for the parish show. The parish, I came 6th in the boys, 7th in the boys, and 6th in the boys the next time.
Oh, yeah. And all 3 times?
Yeah, and always top 10.
I went once and I came 12th overall in the parish.
I was a champion boy speller for my school for 3 or 4 years straight.
Do you remember what word you got wrong? I remember up to this day the word I got wrong.
Them teeth me out 2 times, you know. First time them say spell Shaffer. So I spell CHAFFER, Shaffer. The lady said wrong. CHAUFFEUR.
She don't say chauffeur?
I get them if you can call me off. I said, miss, that's chauffeur. And you didn't say
Right, she
chauffeur.
never
And them
pronounced
must
it
come
right.
right. And she said, no, that is the pronunciation. Somebody begs that time. Yeah, man. And they must carry me off.
Guess what word I spelled wrong in spelling bee?
Cat.
Cat. Really? Meow.
I'm joking.
You can't guess. There's so many words out there.
Exactly.
Mechanic.
Oh.
I don't know how, and I spelled
Pressure.
all the big words.
Pressure.
Me can't take pressure. No, me
Pressure,
can't
yeah.
take that kind of pressure there.
Yeah.
You see, even the other day when we did the games, I cannot. And Brian knows this. I don't like playing games because of that reason, right?
Listen, my friend went to...
Oh, before you reach to that, I spelled mechanic MECANIC instead of MECHANIC.
Yeah, it happens. A friend of mine was telling me that him go at the very first word, ability, them get it wrong. No, and I've seen somebody spell it. When nerves hit you,
Ability.
ABYLYTY.
Listen, I don't wrong anybody who crumble under the pressure because we know what it's like, and if it happens, it happens. That's why I don't know if I could do a school challenge quiz and them something.
Yeah, I was a part of my school challenge quiz club. I never made it to the team. I wasn't that good, but yeah.
Yeah, I wasn't a
So
part of that.
Jerome, they tell me, so when him friend them go spelling bee, him and him friend, and them give him jungle for spell. And him friend said GUNGLE.
Oh,
and him laugh after him friend and then a theme word. And they said spell juice. And he said GUIC.
Yes, man. You see why you don't laugh at the people?
Your mind,
your mind
you hear
register
G.
too.
Yeah. And you know say a J, but you somebody just out the G. So you say, alright, me now gonna mess up now. And you mess up. So
Y'all hear the rain?
yeah, Mandeville.
Yeah, that rain. Beautiful rain at this time of night. So
Alright guys, let's get into it.
So I've written down
some words them here.
15 words.
Some words them here.
That's in mine here. I've written down 15 words and Brian has done the same. And we're going to see
Really alright, man.
we're going to see how well we do. Okay, we're going to see how well we do.
So guys, first thing, disclaimer. If me don't win, teach your teeth me out.
Really?
If me win, adjust the blessings and the mercy of God.
I'm sure.
So here goes. Ladies first, of course, guys. So representing St. Jago High, big up yourself, Jago. Ravensworth, Monk Street, representing Huey, big up yourself, Karima, big up yourself, DCS, guys. This I'm wearing now, loving them. Yeah, straight. Not gonna let you guys down. Team B Sizzle, this one we got it in the bag.
Shh. I'm channeling my inner Jody and Maxwell. Shh.
Big up yourself, Dr. Jody, wherever you are. Okay, let's see.
Ready.
Alright. Guys, I may have some uncontrollable fits of laughter. I'm gonna laugh after myself, I'm gonna laugh after boss. I'm just gonna laugh. I just see that come. Alright.
And I have to write when he gives me the word because that's how I.
No man,
that's
how
how I
I do it,
function.
man. Spelling bee. Can you please repeat the word, meaning of? Yeah.
I write in the ear.
Yeah. Ready.
All right. So, B sizzle. Your first
BSIZZLE.
No.
What?
You said you spell B sizzle?
I never said that.
You said B sizzle.
I said B sizzle. Spell the word, and I don't reach the word is.
You just said B sizzle. I nerves that.
Okay. Compose yourself. B sizzle. Please spell the word camouflage.
Alright. The easy word first, alright. Camouflage. Can you use the word in a sentence, please?
You come to stress me out today.
Can you use the word in a sentence, please?
The soldier was dressed in camouflage.
Camouflage. Camouflage. CAMOUFLAGE. Camouflage.
Correct.
Really?
Hey, look, all I got to you, I said to me, don't call me name. Don't call me name. But you in them.
Correct. And by the way, guys,
Right.
we're going to be putting the spelling of the name along with the meaning right down here at the bottom so that we can all learn as we go along. All right? Yes. And maybe you can utilize these in your everyday vocabulary. Yes, we're building our vocabulary and we're helping you to build yours as well. My word. Go ahead.
Beautiful bee. Your first word. And guys, I thought about words that relate to her some of the things she loves and just her life. Yep. So this one is from the baby category. Lullaby.
Lullaby. May I have the root of the word, please?
You think a tree? You must think a tree. But root of word. Me no know. Me never look for that.
You should say.
Alright. The root
Baby
of the
shark.
word is baby. Yeah. Baby. I don't know. Baby language. Baby talk. I don't know.
Lullaby. Correct?
Be what?
Why?
Oh my God!
Don't stress me out tonight. Don't
Think
pick
I
me
said-
out.
think I said-
No, I said why.
Just a check.
Okay. Be sizzle.
Guys, I don't know, I feel so nervous. Chat no.
Plagiarize. Plagiarize.
We use this in our school all the while. So
Right?
we must get it right. People never laugh after me. Plagiarize. Play as in ramping miss.
Plagiarize.
PLA.
Why you lip a shake, sir?
Don't distract me.
Sorry.
GIARIZE. Plagiarize.
Really?
You get it right?
No, correct.
You know, if you tell a lie now.
I never tell a lie. I said really?
You know, if you tell a
Like really? You got it right?
What pretty
Really?
feel?
I didn't lie.
Alright, since I play them with, alright?
No, don't do that, don't do that,
no.
no, that, babe. Babe, you know, say I have to go easy for me.
Cologne. You love when I wear good cologne.
Cologne. COLOGNE. Cologne.
COLOAN. That come on my mind. You're right.
Oh, you friend me.
You're
Come,
right.
Come just like I say, hold on.
Co-loan. You know, you take a loan, co together. Co-loan.
All right.
I want, you know, the easy word to get first.
Oh, Lord.
Yeah.
My
So,
nervousness.
I go look by your paper, like, I go see one word.
No.
You never know how I do. Me
Yes,
see one
ma'am.
word. Me see one word. I'm not sure which word. See some letter.
All right. Be sizzle. Your next word is Abscess. Abscess.
Like recess?
Abscess.
Like recess?
Abscess.
May I ask a question?
What?
Like recess?
I never say recess, I say abscess.
Some tricky words you look for, you know. Some SC and some have C and... Alright.
Abscess.
Abs, like you do abs? Oh Lord.
Abscess.
Can you understand? Alright, no, no, no. ABS. CESS. Abscess.
Correct. You not intend for getting none wrong?
Don't worry, every word from now you get it wrong.
Oh my goodness. Okay. Go ahead.
Phlegm.
Like phlegm?
Alright, guys. Go along and start laughing till all the camera chip out. Let's go. Phlegm. Time. Come on, come.
I just gonna put some.
5 second rule. 5 seconds.
No, don't do that to me. I just go and put some words together because I feel
Some
like
words
it's
together, yeah,
some letters together. I feel like it's a trick word, obviously, because I don't remember how to spell phlegm. F-L-E. Right already? G-H-M. Right?
No, the reason I laugh at because you came so close. PH.
P-H?
Yeah, and not F.
Yes, I knew it, you know, man. So it's P-H-L-E-G-H-M?
PHLEGM.
P-H-L-E.
GM.
This is Polegum.
Come on, come time.
Phlegm. Oh
Let's
my
go.
goodness.
Let's go.
Me didn't
Not
know
bad,
say
not
me didn't
bad.
know say no F, you know. Me didn't know say no F. Anyway. Mr. Cuff.
You long shot take shall look fit tallest word.
Gerund. Gerund.
Like Geronimo.
I don't know what that is, but okay.
Gerund, like errand. Right?
Extra. I don't know, but gerund me say.
Alright, me not got itch. This I go spell. Gerund. No. No.
I never mean to that. Continue with the J.
No, you can't do that. You think so? Me gonna continue with you after me laugh? That was God right there. Gerund. G-E-R-U-N-D.
Baby, you don't get it right. You start with J.
No. Look what I'm spelling. You stop. You start over. You say the word again.
No.
Gerund.
No.
G-E-R-U-N-D.
Guys, when you're at the script.
You
have scripts?
Only part time write script.
You got scripts up already?
Time ago.
You cannot.
Yes, you can.
Start.
No, you can. Yes, you can. Yeah, from your stop.
Guys, let me know, please.
Yeah, from your stop.
No,
you
Brian
say over
of
the
teeth,
word.
right?
No. Every time we come and tell people I love teeth. Yeah,
I know me alone,
the only
sister,
thing
them
me have-
sister
The
too.
only thing me have teeth are your heart.
Oh, God. Oh. That's so corny.
I don't lie though.
He ain't tell no lies. Okay, but you got it wrong, but I'm not giving it
No.
to you.
G-E-R-U-N-D.
I mean, with my big mouth, you know,
Are you?
go laugh.
God is good. You notice when you ask spell me like me, eh? That's long look for you. Alright, here we go.
Cheers, let me eye.
Pseudonym.
Let me see some expression. What man? Wait. Oh, look. Pseudonym.
Come now, man. Me a try hard.
P. You look no more triple. PSEUDONYN.
You're right.
Oh,
Actually,
okay.
kill me. Yes, I make this thing hard and complicated. Yeah, that's all I hard word them know, babe. One easy word they struggle with. Phlegm.
Phlegm is not that easy for you. Tell me if you spell phlegm,
Should I
no.
say it?
Alright. Inexorable.
Everyone ever you're aware of them have about 12 letters.
No,
about 10 letters.
You want me to count it? Trick me.
Me
You're
never
not
look.
trying
Me
to
never
trick me.
look.
Me know, but you want to know if I over 10 letters, you're not trick me. You're not trick me.
Inexorable. INEXORABLE. Inexorable.
That easy word that me give. I'm going to pronounce it properly for you. Correct. Here is a word I know I'm marking it.
How much we got? 5. Are you gone? 4. 4 me gone?
No, you got 5.
Okay, got 4. I get 1 right. No, only 4. Oh, me get 1 word ahead of you. Alright, guys. If you get this one wrong, cut off the camera. Basilica. Put on a point already in the cash, you're not supposed to get this right.
Basilica, which means royal kingdom.
That you mean?
Yes.
I know that you mean.
Yes.
Alright. Nah, and a Basillia, I'm saying.
It's a temple. Okay, anyway.
Oh, you know it.
I do.
Look at you.
Basilica. B-A. Let me make sure look funny enough. I next stick with my enough self and go spell my name. B-A-S-I-L-I-C-A. I'm so.
Me not hear you.
So if you stop laugh, B-A-S-I-L-I-C-A. Basilica.
You don't write the point already.
But of course.
Lock off.
Talk up to me coming in Basillia.
Lock off.
Yeah, you.
Just go on me yard.
Wait, me just don't ask you which by you there.
I mean the spelling bee.
Okay, so we're going to 10 words. Right? So we're gone
5.
6.
5.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many points you have done for me? Eh? How many points you have done?
4. You get 5 questions already.
Okay,
You get 5
okay.
questions. This is
Alright.
6 questions.
Alright. Go now?
Oh, you're.
No, sorry, no, my turn. Sorry, me forgive you. Sorry. You just gave me Basilica.
Right.
Sorry. Hemorrhage. Hemorrhage means to bleed excessively, I think. Stop going, okay? No, say you can't spell it. You know them people that who them study for them exam and you ask them if they study me, then come out and test me not pass that. And you find out they get 98%.
I want to trick you know, guys, because you have a British spelling and you have a US spelling. I want a H-A-E, I want a H-E. I'm going to just get the H-E one. I don't know where H is.
Well, let me give you that
Hemorrhage.
straight face.
H-E.
Incorrect.
H? No H is started.
I don't know what is H. Continue.
Extra. HEMOR HEM. I will not be swayed by the arrow that flieth by the day or skip it by the night. You see it? Me a lot of foolish. HEMORRAGE.
Incorrect. Wrong.
It was at this moment that he knew.
Let me spell it for you. HEMORRH.
No, say it now. No, come here, say this look wrong. Some say I hate Jamaica again.
No, but you say you don't know which part somebody tick, so I take out the H.
No. Pressure. Alright.
Pressure bust by. Let me stop laughing because
this is something she loves to drink, coffee. But the word I'm not
As
giving
coffee?
her coffee. No. Cappuccino. Like your brethren Chino. Make up yourself, Carlton. Chino Stewart. Cappuccino.
CAPUCCINO. What's that?
So sure enough, me have 2P, you know. Let me check.
I want to hear 2P.
Let me check. Give me the phone. Give
What?
me the phone. No, me don't want you check. Cause you know you check.
Capo. A 2P? A 2P not look correct.
Me can't believe that. Alright, me cut it. I'm checking with the judges.
Is 2 P's in cappuccino or 1?
It's 2P. Yes.
Oh.
Yes.
I never understand how to spell coffee.
KOFFEE. Big up yourself, coffee.
No. That's not how
Alright,
the
let's
coffee
go.
that would be. So it's 2 P's in it or not? Tell you about pressure. You sure? You know, so many know say 2P. So write 2P and I'm tell you 1.
You throw me off. Cause when you see your one, I say that look like me right. Let's go.
Anyway, next word. Camaraderie.
CAMERADERIE.
Wrong. It's CAMA.
Now with camera I go.
No, I don't know word there, but I don't remember how it pronounce.
You can't ask me to spell what I don't know how to pronounce. Me not depend on that.
Lasciviousness. That's not the word, by the way. Don't be get bombastic wrong. Anyway, lasciviousness.
Our next Bible word. but
No.
LASCIVIOUSNESS.
Correct.
Succulent. Like the breasts that you make for dinner. Succulent.
A chicken breast.
Succulent.
Look and tell me if you must trust my instinct.
Try the spirit, sister. Try the spirit. Succulent. Succulent. Succulent.
Pronounce it again.
Succulent.
Is it succulent?
I don't say no dash no there. No dash no there.
How can I not know how to spell these words?
Because we not use them. You know, and I really say we don't know the word them. You know,
I mean, if we see them, we can read them.
And we're not using them on a day-to-day basis.
And we're not typing them.
Right. When last year I spell. We just take up ourselves a follow and I do YouTube challenge for spelling. Succulent.
Let's go.
Try the spirit.
Go again.
Succulent.
I don't remember how to spell succulent. S-U succulent. I don't know what I'm going to Q and something. No Q there. I try to trick me. Playing games with my mind. SUCCULENT.
Correct. But hold on. She have 2 L on the paper and she said 1 L. I don't know why she keep on doing this. Anyway, you're alive. Ramp with it. You're alive. Show them 2 L you have.
Actually have 2 L's.
Okay.
And I said 1.
Better. Alright. 2 more.
Boy. Yes.
Mannequin. No, you just spell. Oh, my turn. That's a your word though.
Okay. Miscellaneous.
MISCELLANEOUS. Miscellaneous.
Come again?
MISCELLANEOUS. Miscellaneous.
Oh, you come like say you know say you get the word so.
I know that word there easy. Mannequin.
We can't take no up a word out with the double letter them you know.
Mannequin. Come on, you have seamstress, you have blush skirts, you have remember Asini?
Don't stress me. Yes. Asini in her room. Guys, can you hear the rain?
She have one mannequin named Asini.
Are you name the mannequin Asini?
Hint. Come, go. Time.
Hold on now, I have to make sure if I 2 N or a 1.
Put the camera on the question.
Mannequin. Savior. M-A. Let me spell the other way and see if it look right.
Yeah, right. Find your paper.
MANNEQUIN.
Come in now. What I want there right second. Correct.
Thank you.
Note yourself.
Alright, your next word. So 2 more, right?
No, 1 more. I have 1 more for you.
Okay, so 1 more for you.
Yeah, me start, so yeah.
Colloquy. Or colloquy. To be honest, I don't remember how it's pronounced.
Well, you can't give me that word there. I refuse to spell a word that the spell master cannot pronounce
Hold
properly.
on. Let me go back into my brain. Colloquy.
We'll never get it wrong. Colloquy or colloquy?
Colloquy.
Google your word and make it spell properly, no? Pronounce properly.
Let me Google it.
Colloquy? Guys, may I get that one there? I tell you friend now.
I want to know someone probably needs to pronounce it right.
Make sure you spell it right too. That look tricky. Colloquy.
I did it right. Colloquy.
Let me see it. Let me see how that.
And little most, me show him the phone, you know. Little most, me show him the phone.
Let me see if I see him where you have.
Colloquy.
I'm never now waste time, yeah, man. Let's get it wrong and done. COL. I'm not sure if I 2L or 1.
Alright, you have to tell me which one you're working with.
You want to write? OQUY. You decide if I wrong or right.
No, you have to tell me, no, babe. You have to tell me which one. Is it 1L, 2L? Which one you're working with?
She didn't give me a hint. She don't say try the spirit. After me try help her and she has spelling out, she don't say nothing to me.
I did say something to you. I said, which one are you going with?
Colloquy. Sound like colonial, but it also sound like colloquial. Yo, COLO
Go on now.
QUY.
Incorrect.
What is it?
COLLOQUY.
Guys, that's some simple something messed up in a spelling bee sometimes.
But you spelled it right first.
So me get it right and you dare try to trick me.
No.
Yes, me spell it right and then
Babe,
you say,
no.
which one are you working
No,
with? And I
you
say
said.
1 and I try to say 1L. Trick
No.
me. Alright.
Guys, did
Alright.
you not hear him say?
Alright.
Did you not hear him say earlier on that
You said
it's
which
brave?
one
No, stop.
to try and make me
No.
think of 1L.
You
Done.
said.
Done.
Oh my God, why you being like this?
Done.
Wanna hear the rain? Listen.
Yeah, I did the Lord I rain down justice.
You said me must choose if me want to use 1 or 2L. You can't do that.
Come. Let me give you a word.
Yeah, give me last hard. Watch out, I'm going to choose a hard word for me. Just watch.
Zygofallacious.
I'm done. Good night.
Zygofallacious.
I'm not spelling that. I don't know how to spell that.
Supercalifragilistic.
That's not on your paper. You have to show me on your paper.
Chiaroscurus. Spell the word then.
I'm not spelling that.
Big
You
Jews
don't
are
have them. You
refused.
don't have them on your paper, babe.
You know them on paper?
No, but you don't have them on your paper.
Alright.
You see it off your head.
Alright. Mnemonics. Guys, that's some simple something messing me up, you know. 1 letter, watch the colloquy.
Spell it again.
Emerge. Spell it again. But look at. You see them subtle trick there? 1.
Pronounce it.
Mnemonics.
Go again.
Mnemonics.
I don't know what kind of impatient spell master this. Mnemonics.
Me say mnemonics. Me say mnemonics. Me say mnemonics. Mnemonics.
Mnemonics. MN.
Mnemonics.
Are you stopping me because I'm incorrect?
Just repeat the word, miss. Why would I do that? No one win.
But yes, stop me, so yeah, can't.
They say mnemonics.
You want a different time me spell this a 1 word upon the paper. Mnemonics. I don't know if I spell this right though. It's obviously a trick word. Mnemonics. MNEMONICS.
You're right.
Right, I'm wrong.
You're right. Me want you to say KNEE.
Come on, that.
Alright. The results are in. Can't believe we get colloquy. 1 letter. Emerge. 1 letter. Them think 1 love heart, you know? Brian 7, Basillia 6 out of 10. Each of us out of 10. So we never do so bad.
Let me see to make sure it's 6 I got.
Guys, like, share, subscribe.
Babe, you know, tick mnemonics, you know?
So tick it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
No, so something wrong here. So. What a tick? No, what a tick is not for the right spelling, you know.
I got lullaby,
I'm
right?
saying what a tick is not for the right spelling. That's what I'm saying.
What that mean?
What a tick is not for the right spelling. You tick off the words, what you got, what you spelled.
Okay, let me tell you. I got basilica, right? I got lullaby, I'm sure. I got mannequin. I didn't get phlegm. I got succulent. I didn't get cappuccino. I got mnemonics. I got pseudonym, and I got cologne. Color.
She write in a blue when I talk about color red.
Babe, I did not write color red.
Yeah, but
I
you
just have
write
the
in
name
a
of the
blue.
school. Anyway, whatever. He's just a sore loser right now. He's feeling it to his heart. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure that you subscribe. Thank you for subscribing. Make sure that you like. Thank you. Make sure that you comment. This has been another victorious episode. Victory is mine. Victory is mine. Victory today is mine. Okay. Thanks for watching. Bye. Bye, guys. Oh,
1 letter.